Hi friends, in the last lecture of learning tricks for amino acids, you might have learned amino acids till now. You might have learned 20 amino acids completely. So that was just a trick to remember the number of amino acids we have in biochemistry. In today's lecture session, we will discuss about the classification of amino acids, and I have given the short tricks to learn to remember those classification types. Okay, so these two lectures, the earlier one and this one, will completely cover your amino acid topics. Okay, most of the questions or most of the queries will be solved with help of these two lecture sessions, and that too of hardly 10 minutes if you combine both the lecture sessions. So this is also for 5 minutes hardly, and that is also for 5 minutes. So approximately 9 to 10 minutes video if you watch and learn the tricks, you will remember the whole amino acids of biochemistry. Let's begin. So in this page you can see classification of amino acids. So what is given over here? Friends, you might know that amino acids are classified into different groups to understand, to learn. Each and every amino acid show different properties. So here the first category I have made, actually there are 8 categories made. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Under these 8 categories, what is special? The most special thing is the first category is for aliphatic R chain amino acids. The amino acids containing aliphatic R group. Okay, there is an R group in the amino acid. So that is aliphatic R group. That may be simple or branch of two types. Either it will be simple or branch. So in simple, there are two amino acids, glycine and alanine. In branch type of R chain, there are valine, leucine and isoleucine. Means total 3 amino acids are there. This is the first classification part. So there are 8 classification of amino acids. Second will be the cyclic chain, the amino acid which is containing cyclic chain in its structure. So there is only one amino acid which is proline having imino ring, a cyclic ring structure. We call that structure as imino ring. So there is only one amino acid having cyclic chain in its structure. The third group is OH group containing amino acid. The amino acid which is having OH group are serine and threonine. So there are only 2 amino acids. In fourth classification group, the sulfur containing amino acid, those are cysteine and methionine. Fifth one is the acidic amino acids. The amino acids which are acidic in nature are aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Again, 2. Then there are basic amino acids which property is basic. Lysine, arginine and histidine are basic amino acids known in biochemistry. Next is amide containing NH2 group or an amide containing amino acids. Those are asparagine and glutamine. Okay, these two are the amide containing amino acids. The last one is the aromatic amino acid which is having aromatic structures in its structure. These are large structured amino acids, namely phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan. So guys, this will make you to understand amino acids more easily by looking at the classification, 8 group of classifications. You can divide it, okay, and you can learn like this. Okay, so here completely we cover 20 amino acids of biochemistry. This is a simplification for classification. Next we'll move to this page where you can see how the amino acids are classified depending on glucogenic amino acid. Now, what is the meaning of the term glucogenic? Means the glucose producing amino acids. Amino acids can produce glucose. Okay, so glucogenic amino acid means those are, you can see their short symbols and their full names. Those are glycine, alanine, valine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, proline, histidine, asparagine, lysine, etc. For that, I have made a short trick like this is the short trick to remember the glucogenic amino acid. This is the most asked questions in NET examinations or set examinations, even in medical entrance examinations. These are common area for selecting questions. So you can see here, gain all value, defeat ego, plan hard, never regret. So if you remember this sentence, you can remember the glucogenic amino acids. Next is ketogenic amino acids, the amino acids which can produce ketones. Those are leucine and lysine. Next, glucogenic plus ketogenic amino acids. Okay, the amino acids which can produce glucose as well as ketones. So those are phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan and isoleucine. Okay, F, Y, W and I. Phenylalanine. So all the aromatic amino acids, 3 aromatic amino acids are there: phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan, and you have to add only one, that is isoleucine. So I haven't made short tricks for ketogenic amino acids and these glucogenic amino acids. Sorry, glucogenic and ketogenic amino acids, because you have hardly 4 amino acids in this group. Next category is for essential amino acids. In essential amino acids, you can see the symbols mentioned, and in that symbol, how can you remember this? True value for life is meeting wise and kind humans repeatedly. So if you remember this sentence, you can remember the essential amino acid group. Okay. Next is non-polar amino acid. In this, you can see the symbol and you can remember, get all values in life, meet wise people frequently. So this is for non-polar amino acids. So friend, this was a simple effort from my side to make you understand, to make you learn and make these difficult or lengthy things easier for you guys. So I hope this will be helpful for all of you. Thank you so much for listening. And if you have any queries or questions, you can mail me on exitocoachinginstitute@gmail.com. And if you want to share any things, you can share on this link provided. Thank you so much. Let's see you in the next video session. Thank you so much.